Today we're going to install some crash bars by SW-Motech on this 2020 Tracer 900 GT from Yamaha. So these crash bars install right here. They protect and they go around the corner here. Front fairing. Again, same here. Goes around the front. I think it'll look nice. Plus it'll give me a spot to mount the fog lights that I want to put on there. All right, I will get them out of the box and we'll get at it. The instructions, got your part list here, your step-by-step instructions through this. It looks relatively easy. All right, according to the directions, you want to start on the left side. We're going to need to remove these two bolts. And then the crash bar just bolts in just like this. So let me take these bolts out and put that on. The kit also comes with 4 bolts, 2 for each side. Two of the longer ones, 2 of the shorter ones. The longer one goes up top, shorter one goes down, towards the front a little bit lower. The old bolts that I took out did not have any Loctite on them, but we're going to put some Loctite on these bolts. We're going to use the old-fashioned Loctite thread locker blue. Okay, the package comes with 4 spacers, 2 for each side. It comes with 2 large ones, a medium and a small. According to the directions on the left-hand side, we need to use one of the large ones and the medium one. So let's get to it. All right, let's put in our first bolt. Let's see our... This one calls again for the large spacer. So put this in here like this. Just get this hand started for the moment. I don't want to tighten this down too much before I get the other one in there. Let's just do that for the moment. Next we'll get our... Let's see, should have put the spacer in here first. That's all right. Get our other bolt in here. So we're not going to really crank on these yet. I just want to get them hand tight, just lightly. We will torque these down to the right spec in a little bit, but this one's on there. Let me switch to the right side and we'll do this again. All right, let's take these 2 off on the right side. All right, let's put these bolts in on the right side. Again, we got the large bolt up top. Got our Loctite on there, and this one is the large spacer. Let's see if we can get that started. Yeah, just got that started. Let me put the other bolt, and again, the small spacer this time. All right, those are both started. Tighten these up a little bit. All right. Now I'm going to get my torque wrench and torque these down. According to the maintenance manual, we need to tighten these down to 33 foot-pounds of torque. So let's do that real quick. You can see, I don't know if you can actually, but it's set to 33. Let's see if I can tighten this. There we go. And we got that one. I'm going to switch back to the left side. All right, let's tighten these down. All right. This package also comes with these plastic caps to put over these gaps to make it look nice. Now that we got it all tightened down, I'm going to go ahead and put these caps in, make it look nice. There's also one for the inside of the tube here, so it doesn't get a bunch of liquid in there. Water. Okay, there we go. Got these all installed. They look great. SW-Motech makes great stuff. These are nice and sturdy. Should protect this. At least protect the engine. It's not going to protect my blinkers, but then again, those are way cheaper to replace than any other parts of the engine. Yep, looking good. And they were very easy to install. I will include the link to the item below. I did look at another brand. A friend has some GVs on his bike, but they are already starting to rust. I did not want to deal with any rust. SW-Motech has a great reputation, so that's why I went with these. Again, thank you, SW-Motech. These are great.